Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to tell y'all something that happened to me with Amazon. I have been ordering from Amazon for many years. Since they came around, I have been ordering from them. And I do try to buy locally. I always try to buy locally, but there's some things that I just cannot get locally. So I search for it and I find it either at Walmart.com or Amazon, and now I do look at Temu for things. But I got a few things, and I wanted to tell you what happened. Let me start out with the good stuff. I got one of these, I got several of these packages of the IV liquid. I got some from Walmart and some from Amazon. And you have to know your prices. I know a lot of people don't like these, but they have them in sugar-free now. I get the ones with the sugar because the sugar-free, what they use in the sugar-free of all, there's so many of these brands out there and they bother me, they give me headaches. So I get very dehydrated easily, and especially in the summer when it's very humid here. And I think I shouldn't say I think, I know it has something to do with medications that I take for blood pressure. So I look for them when they're on sale, and the company Liquid IV was having a sale. So I was looking at what they had, and then I looked at Walmart and I looked at Amazon and I found better pricing. So, but it depends on what flavor you get. So I did find Concord Grape on Amazon. I've never tried that one before. So it says it down here. So I thought I'd try that. I got a couple of bags of that because it was a good price. And then on Amazon, I got strawberry lemonade. I've had strawberry before and I've had the lemonade, but I've never had, or maybe it's lemon lime. I've never had the strawberry lemonade. So that'll be good. I do have to drink that. I don't drink it every day, but I drink it fairly often. It's one stick and you put it in a bottle of water like this, but that's too strong for me. And that's what a lot of people complain about. So I take two bottles of water and I add it. So I have a quart container from Tupperware and I put water in there and I add it in there, and then it's diluted. So it's better, it works well for me. Anyway, what this video is about is I showed it to y'all a month or two ago. I got a charger for my cell phone to go by my bedside table, on my bedside table. I've had this one for a long time. It's good. It's really good. But what you do with your phone is you lay your phone on here. I record with my phone, so I meant to take this off to show you. This is my case, and this sets on certain things. I have a holder in my car, and then also, not on this, but I had bought a charger that it would fit on this, and it would pull the magnet from the phone and hold it. What has been happening to me is I have to take this cover off every night when I charge this. When I use this one, like I said, I've had this a few years. It's great. But Camille, the lovely Camille, will knock my phone off of my bedside table. So I thought that magnet would secure it, and I wouldn't have to take my case off all the time. So I got it was about $12, maybe $12, because I'm trying to remember what they owe me. Okay, it's $12 or $13 with the tax, okay? So I'm just showing you this to give you an idea of what it looked like. It was white, and it worked one or two nights, and then it wouldn't work anymore. So I took it all around the house to every plug. I changed this thing, the USB thing and everything with it, and I could not get it to work again. So I went to do a return. And when I went to do the return, it said, it asked you why. And so I said, it said other or something because the choices weren't available. And I said it just stopped working. So they said, would you like us to send you a replacement? And I'm like, yes, because I really liked it. I wanted to keep it. So that's what they did. They sent me another. So the second order is charged at $0, okay? So I get the second one and it works for a couple of nights and then it stops working. So I check again. I check all my plugs. I check this again. I took it to work and checked it at work to see if maybe, you know, I have an old house. Maybe I have some faulty wiring. It would not work again. It wouldn't work anymore. So I did a return. And one of the items, you know, I did on both of them. One, I had to make a label and put it back in the packaging. And the other, I can't remember. It's just a thing that they scan at the UPS store. So it was 2 different packages, and I do have the receipt from the UPS store. Well, usually when I return things at the UPS store, before I even get back in the car, the money is back in my account. Or if I choose to, they'll give me a credit on Amazon that you use like a gift card. Well, I didn't realize it, but a couple of days went by and I didn't have a credit. So I went to look into it, and they're basically saying that I paid $0. So I don't have a refund, but you can't talk to anybody on Amazon. Very difficult. So I looked into it further. I looked at the frequently asked questions and what have you. And it appears they may be giving me a refund, but I won't get it for, it's like 1 month from the time I took it back. 1 month. I don't know why. Because they got the items. They got both of the items. So I'm not happy with it. I wanted to let you know. I will let you know when I get the actual money back because it's really upsetting. It's making me mad. I mean, it's only a few dollars, but still. So I did get something new, and I decided to go with something a little bit different. This is, I'll put won't worry about the name and all that. I'll put this below if you're interested in it. It's heavy. This has the same idea, right? It has the charging cord. It has a little instruction booklet. And this is a power bank, if you will. I'm not quite sure if that's what it's called. What does it say on the box? Yeah, it's called a power bank. I have had a couple of different power banks, and they're just old and don't work anymore. So this one, it's navy blue. It came in different colors. I just chose this one because I liked it. $26.99. So it's more expensive than the other. But what this will do is when I charge it, it has the MagSafe magnet. So when I can leave my phone case on my phone, and then I'll put it here to charge it, and it will hold it, okay? So it's perfect. And also, if I need to charge, if I'm traveling and I don't have a place to plug in my phone or something, then I have this charged ahead of time. It will charge my phone up as I go. So it also is supposed to stand. I'm not sure. I may have to try to figure that out. But I did want to just tell you all to be careful. Oh, here. This is a little magnet back to it. It's pretty cool. And you can make it stand so that you can, I'm going to put this by my bedside table. That's my intention, is to use it that way. And then I'll take it with me if I need to travel. So I will get that charged up, and I'll let you know how that does. And hopefully it'll work more than just a couple of days. So I just wanted to tell y'all, if you return something, my suggestion is do not say, send me another. Return it, do what you have to return it, then go back in and buy it again if you want to try it again. And because they made it complicated about the return. So I'm just not happy about that. And I don't want any of y'all getting caught like that, because this was only $12 and change. But what if it was a couple $100 item and I needed that money and I wasn't getting it back for 1 month? So, and like I said, it's very difficult to talk to them. So I thought I'd let y'all know about that. Okay, so what am I wearing? Okay, on my lips, I have the Give lipstick from, what's her name? The beautiful lady. I love her, but I can't think of her name at the moment. This is it. Why can't I think of her name, y'all? I'll think of it in a minute. This is in the color Stomp Box, and I do like it. It's nice and light. It's a good neutral, I think, for lots of people. Good neutral. Gwen Stefani. I turned this off to go look for it, and then it popped in my head. Gwen Stefani. So the packaging is beautiful. And then when, you know, this here is beautiful as well. And it's just a really pretty lippy. And I got it at a great discount on Ipsy. So instead of paying full price. And then on my eyes is one of probably my very favorite brand of eyeshadow is Nomad Cosmetics. And this is the Ghost Town USA. And this is really cool. It shifts from the Ghost Town to spooky. Isn't that cool? I know y'all have seen it before. I've shown it and I've swatched it. But this is what I'm wearing on my eyes. So that is it, y'all. So thank you for stopping by and hearing my story. And just, you know, y'all be careful because it's aggravating not to get your money back when you should get it back right away. I mean, they got the items from me, so it shouldn't be a problem. Thanks, y'all, for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.